join us for Season 2 as we push our boundaries north from Seattle to explore the rugged coasts of beautiful British Columbia for the first time. Stay tuned as we begin our journey north.
Welcome to the beautiful Pacific Northwest. We're Ingrid and Jim, a couple seeking new adventures aboard our 37-foot sailboat, Indigo.
Day 1, we arrived at the boat to load it up with provisions and immediately noticed there's something seriously wrong. Somebody had taken our boat out for a charter the day before and had broken the furling line on the sail. So it was a mad dash then at the dock to replace the furling line and a broken block so that we could keep our schedule and depart on time at 9 o'clock, which we did. Today was a fairly long passage, 31 nautical miles up to Port Townsend. We rode the current all the way, 7+ knots of boat speed, until we rounded the corner around Haro Strait, and we hit a eddy of 4 knots of current right in our face, until we finally made it out of that. So now here we are in Port Townsend, Point Hudson Marina.
Go get our COVID tests.
To check into Canada.
Yes, second to last step. The last step will be getting the negative result.
Right.
Or up this way.
So we walked the 1.2 miles from the marina over to the COVID test clinic, and we get in there to check in, and who walks in after us but somebody severely suffering from COVID. So the first thing we're thinking is, no, we're not going to catch COVID at the COVID clinic trying to get our tests. Fortunately, they asked the person to go back and sit in their car.
That should do the trick. You're
all
right.
set.
You're gentle.
How was it?
Oh, it's fine.
Okay.
We got the tests and we're on our way waiting for our results to check into Canada.
We made it through the washing machine. We're going 9 knots?
9 knots. Thanks to 3 knots of current.
music was playing on the boat, and I'm like,
Uh-oh.
So it picked up on my phone and it automatically turned on the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth to my playlist.
And automatically just started playing the music on the boat.
How cool is that? You walk in and the music turns on. And
Today, we're headed over to Sidney, BC. We're expecting plenty of wind to sail, but also some head currents to slow us down as we make our way out of the San Juan Islands. I thought we were going to sail.
it's like glass. I'm not complaining. We'll have plenty of adventure ahead. Sailing in cold and wind and rain.
Our original forecast was for about 10 to 15 knots of wind by the time we made it out here into Haro Strait. But we are about an hour early and we just zipped right through the passes on our way out here from Friday Harbor. So we're arriving early and there's no wind. Looks like a river in the middle of the strait. Went right through the rapids. Welcome to Canada.
No, I'm not going to say it.
Say it. We made it to Canada. We're not yet legal, but we're here.
I'm ready for a moose head.
Okay.
Report your arrival in Canada or to provide advance notification of your arrival in Canada, press 2 and you will be transferred to BC. Please have your travel documents ready. The Border Services officer will ask you for specific details about your travel documents, which will assist in facilitating your entry into Canada. Please note that although cannabis, marijuana, is legal and regulated in Canada as of October 17, 2018, it remains illegal to bring it across the border. Hello, bonjour, CBSA.
Hello. We're calling to check in to Sidney from the United States.
You're at the port of Sidney?
Yes.
Are you fully vaccinated?
Yes.
Do you have negative COVID tests?
Yes.
Okay, just please hold for 1 second. You're at the dock now, right?
No, we're about 1 nautical mile out from the marina.
Saved here then? You just gotta give us a call when you're at the dock. Sorry, I thought you were at the dock, but it's all saved here. Just give us a call when you're at the dock, okay?
Okay, we will do that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Thank you, bye.
Bye. Okay, so the other ones they said it was fine. This one they want you out on the dock.
Cute little house. In our next episode, we explore BC's Gulf Islands. It's like the beaches in Hawaii.
It's pouring down rain. Looks like we're not going anywhere.
And sail a heavy weather passage across the Strait of Georgia. Stay tuned.